Hello friends, this is Rosmiranjan Patnaik and I am welcoming you all to my YouTube channel. So in this class we discuss about feeding and digestion in amoeba. So amoeba के अंदर डाइजेशन कैसे होता है और वो खाना कैसे अपना लेता है. So पहले हम देखेंगे amoeba है क्या. So amoeba is a microscopic single celled organism. Means amoeba जो है वो हमारी आँखों को ऐसे ही नहीं दिख सकता. इट्स ए माइक्रोस्कोपिक ऑर्गेनिज्म. मीन्स इट्स ओनली सीन थ्रू माइक्रोस्कोप एंड इट इज सिंगल सेल्ड ऑर्गेनिज्म. मीन्स सिंगल सेल मीन यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म. इट इज़ यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म मीन्स सिंगल सेल. जो हमारे हम है मीन्स मैन वोमेन और सम एनिमल्स दे आर multicellular organism, but amoeba is a single cell organism and they live in pond water. Then in the next slide we saw that the body parts of amoeba. Now amoeba has a cell membrane, a rounded dense nucleus and many small bubbles like vacuoles in its cytoplasm. So amoeba has a cell membrane. amoeba का एक सेल मेम्ब्रेन होता है, a rounded dense vacuole होता है and many small bubble like structure in its cytoplasm. This bubble like structure or vacuoles are of two types. These vacuoles are of two types. One is food vacuoles and other one is contractile vacuoles. So amoeba has two types of vacuoles. One is food vacuole and other one is contractile vacuole. So in food vacuole it contains food surrounded by water, and in contractile vacuole it contains liquid or water, controls water regulation activity in amoeba. So in these two type of vacuole, food vacuole contains only food which is surrounded by the water, and the contractile vacuole contains liquid or water and controls water regulation activity in amoeba. Then what is the function of contractile vacuole? The function of contractile vacuole is controls water regulation activity. It controls water regulation activity. And you notice that amoeba shape is not fixed. Amoeba has a not fixed shape. It constantly changes its shapes and position. Now we saw the diagram of amoeba. We have two diagram of amoeba. One is black and white diagram and one is colored diagram. So one by one we discuss both the diagram. Look at this diagram. Now this one is the cell membrane of amoeba. This is the cell membrane of amoeba. And a circular rounded nucleus which is dense is present in the cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? These things are of cytoplasm. So inside amoeba cytoplasm, plenty of cytoplasm is present. These materials are called cytoplasm, in which the nucleus and the vacuoles are present. Look, these are the vacuoles, small vacuoles. In these vacuoles, some vacuoles has food particles and some has contractile vacuoles, which is the contractile vacuoles does the water regulation activity. Now the main and important point, amoeba has some finger like projection. Means if this is a amoeba, then it has some finger like projection like this. The finger like projection is known as pseudopodia. What is the work of this pseudopodia? So the finger like projection or pseudopodia trap the food particle. Means in the pond some food particle floats everywhere. So this pseudopodium trap the food particles, means two finger like projection came and trap this food particle like this. एंड इसके बाद वो फूड पार्टिकल के चारों तरफ एक वाटर का लेयर बना लेते हैं, जिसके बाद ये फूड पार्टिकल अंदर चला जाता है साइटोप्लाज्म में, अमोइबा के अंदर चला जाता है कहाँ, साइटोप्लाज्म में. सो दिस इज द फीडिंग प्रोसेस ऑफ अमोइबा. आफ्टर दैट सम डाइजेस्टिव जूस present here and it digested the food particles and some of the food particles, and from this amoeba get energy amoeba get energy, and some food particle which are not digested, or some excretory food particle are excreted by or ejected by this side through the cell membrane. This is the digestion and ejection of the amoeba. Now we follow the note from this. So amoeba shape is not fixed, that is constantly changes its shape and position. The body of amoeba has a finger like projection, which I told you before that it known as pseudopodia or the false feet. It is known as the false feet. Why? Because this is also the cell membrane of amoeba, and it from the cell membrane the two finger like projection comes out and it traps the food particle in between them. After that they engulf that food particle inside the amoeba and digest that food particle. Now projection called pseudopodia or false feet. It captures food, helps in locomotion and amoeba. This finger-like projection, which is pseudopodia, is also responsible for the locomotion. Means it also responsible for the activity that amoeba goes from one point to another point. Okay, it also helps from the locomotion. Now this is the black and white diagram and this is the colored diagram, where this is the cell membrane, this is pseudopodium, these are two pseudopodia. Next, this is food particle which is engulfed by this finger like projection. After that the food particles got digested. Now feeding in amoeba. The food of amoeba are microscopic organisms like tiny plants and animals present in pond water. As I said before that the food of amoeba is present in the pond water. After that, when amoeba sends its food, it pushes out pseudopodia around the food particles and engulfs it. Pseudopodia means the finger like projection around the food particles and engulfs it. उनको वो खा लेता है and engulfs it. After that two pseudopodia join around the food particle and trap the food particle with a little water forming vacuole around the food. Thus food gets trapped. वो मैंने जो बोला था ये है अमोइबा एंड यहाँ एक फूड पार्टिकल है. सो टू फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन comes out and engulf that food particle and forms a water vacuole and engulfs it inside the amoeba. This food becomes trapped in the food vacuole. This food becomes trapped in the food vacuole. Now, digestion in amoeba. So digestive juices present inside the vacuole acts on a food, breaks it into simpler substance. So inside the amoeba, the digestive juice is present, which is inside the vacuole. Okay, this digestive food is then absorbed and used for growth, maintenance, and multiplication of the amoeba. And from that digestive food, amoeba gets energy for performing these activities: growth, maintenance, and multiplication of amoeba. The undigested food residue is expelled outside by the vacuole. The basic process of digestion of food and release of energy is as similar to the other organism. This type of digestion process is as similar as the other organism. So with this chapter is finished. I hope you like this chapter, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.